In this video, we're going to show you how to limit battery charge on Windows 11. First, open your Windows 11 laptop and go to the search box. Type Settings and open it. In the Settings menu, use the search bar at the top to look for Battery. Click on Power and Battery Settings from the search results. In the Power and Battery Settings, you'll find various options to manage your battery usage. To limit your battery charge, you can adjust the settings under Screen and Sleep. Here, you can change the time on battery power, turn off my screen after to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. based on your preference. Next, you have the Power Mode option, which optimizes your device based on power usage and performance. You can choose between Best Power Efficiency, Balanced, or Best Performance. Select Best Power Efficiency to help limit your battery charge. You also have the Battery Saver option, which extends battery life by limiting some notifications and background activity. Click the drop-down menu under Battery Saver and turn it on. You can also set it to turn on automatically at a certain percentage, like 20%. Additionally, you can see the battery usage on your laptop and further customize your battery settings to limit the charge. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.